For extensions, so we'll come here and the part of our VS Code. So there are two main sections that we would like to just start with. Live server. So once you click on live server, the first one that comes in, it has like 23.1 million downloads. I just need to click on install. The second one that would like to download is called Prettier. So it's just to format your code basically, and I click on install. I could click on this refresh so that it just refreshes the VS Code. So someone might ask me what is the usefulness of the Prettier and live server. For the live server, initially when we then we didn't have like so much, there was no VS Code or extension. So what you most likely do is take your notepad and write all of this inside here. So imagine missing like closing this quotation and you probably didn't know. Your browser will probably not start and you'll be wondering what's going on. So this is how it was done traditionally before. So if we're to now view what this HTML would look like, we'll come to our desktop, come to try and locate that particular folder, which is all projects, project 1, and then double click on index.html to actually see our hello world. But because of the extension we just downloaded, if I should right click on our HTML, so it only sees the HTML because HTML is what we render to the browser, or HTML is what we see, is what the user sees, is what our browser understands. Basically, that's what the browser wants to see basically. So if I click on open with live server, I would then get to see that same page. Now the good part with live server is I don't need to, all I need, if I change something here, say let me change this to welcome to Purple Beard, for instance. All I need to just do is press Ctrl S, which is save, or I could come here, file, and click on save or save all. Assuming you've worked on multiple files, you can just click on save all. If I click on save all I need to do is come to my browser. I don't need to do any other thing. And if I want to kill the terminal, which means okay, do you know what, I don't want to use the live server again, I could just come to this port here and you can see click to close server. If I click on this, it automatically stops the page. If I try to refresh this, it tells me it does not exist, site cannot be reached, because we don't have that installed again. For the Prettier, all this text we are seeing, that is what Prettier is mainly used for, the coloring and all that.